Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We are going to be using our acrylic sprays and our mystical sprays. I've got some watercolour card, so I've got a couple of colours, the cranberry red, sun yellow, that's in the acrylics, and I'm going to use pink Ella in the mica sprays, the amber green and the spring moss. So I've got my water as well because I'm going to put a little bit of water onto the mica sprays just to get that little bit of a reaction to give us a bit of texture. So that's the acrylic, that's the cranberry, and then we're going to go with the mysticals. Pink Ella, and we've got a bit of spring moss as well. So, got quite a lot going on here. I'm going to pop some water on the side, pick up my fan brush, and just start dabbing over the top. I'm going to use my finger just to add a little bit more texture again. Okay, let's start drying off and see where it takes us. So I want to make sure that that is completely dry because I am going to do some embossing over the top of this now. I think that's pretty good. Let's give it a little bit of a bend back into shape. And now we're going to use one of our lovely flowers. So this is a lilium. And I'm going to use the Versamark on this. And I'm going to stamp down the bottom here for our first one. Okay. And the ink up again. And we're going to do another one a little bit further up there. Give that a good press. Need to make sure that we get that lovely detail through the embossing powder. So this time I've got the Opaque Vanilla-White and I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top. Give that a bit of a tap and have a look at it to make sure that it's not going to go on any of the areas that you don't want. If it does, then just get a little brush and just tease that off. And I think that's good to go. Let's pop that back. And then let's heat that up and set the design. And that's all done. Got some words here, some nice spring words. So I'm going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. And I'm going to take that first one off, and then I'm going to pop that in the background there. And I'll do the same down the bottom. Just pop a few little stamp down here. I forget what it's called, I'm sorry, it will be in the description though. And I'm just going to give us a little bit of depth down at the bottom here. Might even do another one. This time I'm going to ink up in the twilight. Sometimes you can never tell what it's going to need until you're actually creating the card. And then you just feel like it needs a little bit of something else, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not very good at planning, I kind of go with the flow. So we've got a lovely background, that mica is just coming through, gorgeous. What we're going to do now, we need a little bit of Posca and then a little bit of glitter. And never forget that little bit of attention to detail, it makes all the difference. And then we've got some lovely stickles. This is Golden Rod. So, but if you haven't got this colour, don't worry. There's plenty of other colours that you can use. And I'm just going to drag that down, just following where I've stamped. And there we have another really quick and easy card to produce. Something quite simple. The sprays are a great starting point to create a really nice background. Thank you once again for joining me today. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.